Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we will explore NVIDIA in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of August, 2024, our system has designated NVIDIA as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.78. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects no change, sitting at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and somewhat weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of about 5.05% over the next quarter, with possible returns ranging from negative 10.15% to positive 26.35%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a substantial change of 170.26% over the next year, with possible returns between 133.67% and 248.76%. This would correspond to a price range between $271.38 and $405.05 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA features the headline, NVIDIA stock price up more than 6.53% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, NVIDIA stock rose by 6.53%, increasing from $109.02 to $116.14. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.17%, with a low of $111.58 and a high of $116.23. The price has shown volatility during this period, with an 11.96% gain over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 15 million shares, totaling 307 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $35.6 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $140.76, while the lowest was $39.23. Currently, the stock price stands at 17.49%, or $24.62, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. NVIDIA Corporation, recently highlighted in various reports, is experiencing significant market attention as of mid-August 2024. On one side, the firm faces scrutiny from shareholder advocates launching investigations into potential securities law violations, which could create short-term pressure on the stock price as investor confidence wavers. Compounding concerns, Huawei is poised to introduce a new artificial intelligence chip aimed squarely at competing with NVIDIA's stronghold in the Chinese market. This development is particularly relevant amid ongoing U.S.-China trade tensions and could adversely affect NVIDIA's growth prospects in a critical region, generating uncertainty for investors over the long term. Conversely, NVIDIA shares surged over 6% recently after Goldman Sachs declared it the most important stock of 2024, reflecting strong market sentiment and potential for continued interest. Analysts have revised timelines concerning a delay in NVIDIA's next-generation artificial intelligence processor, now expected to be shorter than previously indicated, suggesting that efficiency in product development may lessen investor fears. Despite recent criticisms around valuation, NVIDIA is still recognized as a formidable growth stock, with attributes promising exceptional returns. The balance of these developments suggests a potentially volatile period ahead for NVDA. Optimism driven by strategic endorsements could be offset by ongoing investigations and rising competition. As the market digests these factors, both short and long-term price movements will likely remain influenced by investor sentiment, shaped by news and competitive dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned NVDA a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that New Street assigned NVDA a positive grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that New Street assigned NVDA a buy grade along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned NVDA a hold grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NVDA a conviction buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NVIDIA stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The NVIDIA stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance at $118.20 from the long-term moving average. Conversely, if it declines, the stock will find support at $105.50 from the short-term average. A breakthrough above the long-term average would yield another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 17.42%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Interestingly, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This disconnect between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average points to a sell signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 185 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA finds support from accumulated volume at $113.90. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.65 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.17%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 6.03%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 630 thousandths. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $121. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its first support level at $113.90. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Huangzhen Shun, who bought and sold 39,377 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 99.323. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 1,242,189 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $112.10, representing a decline of 3.48%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buying opportunity has been indicated by a pivot bottom identified 38 days ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? NVIDIA presents several positive indicators. However, we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, allowing investors to either hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we anticipate NVIDIA to open lower by $1.49, starting at $114.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.